I'm excited to announce a new direction for my channel. My channel will now be called Musical Python, and the tagline is Learn Python by Making Music. I'm well placed to make a channel like this because I know Python and because I have a degree in music. Although I haven't been making music in a while, I'd love to rediscover my musical interests, and I think teaching people Python through making music is a great way for me to do that. I want to make a shout out to another channel, CG Python, I think it's called, that has the tagline Learn Python by Making Art. And that is directly where I got the idea for this new channel direction. So shout out there. I'll add a link in the description, and I encourage you to go subscribe and check out their work. But yeah, that's the new direction of my channel. Hope you find it interesting, and hope to see you with some new videos pretty soon. Bye bye.